In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Roblox on Linux Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase what I believe is the easiest method to download and set up Roblox on your Linux Chromebook. Regardless of the model, you will be able to find the game, download it, and play directly on the Chromebook. So to do this, first head over to the settings. What you have to do is go over to the settings of your Chromebook and look for the apps category. On apps, you will see notifications and Google Play, and what you have to do is turn on Google Play preferences. You can download Android apps and games through the Google Play Store. So all that you have to do is enable the Google Play Store for your Linux Chromebook. Upon choosing the option to turn on, you might be asked to sign into a Google account and to accept the terms, so just agree with all of the terms, and once this is done, the Play Store will now be unlocked on your Linux Chromebook. All that you have to do now is open it up, and once you open the Play Store, you can look for Roblox. It's as simple as finding the game within the Google Play Store, and you will be able to download the latest version of Roblox. As you can see, this is what it says, install on Chromebook, and once you choose this option and let the download finish, you will be able to open the app and sign up or log into a pre-existing account. There is no secret to this. Now, of course, this is going to be the mobile version of Roblox, however, it is essentially the same, and it is much easier to download than the desktop version. There are methods that allow you to set up the desktop version, but they are more elaborate, and you will have to spend more time setting them up. It's also going to differ for every single Linux distro, so I believe this is going to be the best approach for most people who just want to play Roblox quickly. If you already have an account, you will be able to do it here. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox on Linux Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.